Hello there and welcome to Linux Studio, and in this video guide I'm going to show you how you can set up .NET and different runtimes related to it on Ubuntu, Debian and any of their derivatives. Simply put, .NET is an open source free cross-platform for development application, and you can develop different kind of things like your desktop application, web applications, console applications. You can write your APIs and a bunch of stuff. The project is primarily supported by Microsoft, and developers mainly use C# programming language for development purposes, but there are different languages that are also supported by the platform as well. So let's see what is the installation process for Ubuntu, Debian and their derivatives. So open up your terminal and execute these commands in order to get it up and running. First of all, we need to get two utility tools that we are going to need in this installation process, and you can install them using this command. We need wget so that we can download the files from the internet, and we need apt transport https so that we can access the repository using the HTTP secure protocol. So this will set up the both of the utilities in your system. There is a chance that you already have these two utilities, but if you do not, then you can use this command to get them. Now we need to download a file from the Microsoft server, and that file will basically set up a repository link in our system. For that, simply execute this command. Now here is the wget is for downloading the package from the internet, and this link is for downloading the package that will set up the repository in the system. Now as you can see, this is for Ubuntu and the version is 18.04. The current LTS version for Ubuntu is 20.04, so you have to change the name over here. If you are using any Debian based distribution, then you can type here Debian instead of Ubuntu and its version 8, 9, 10, whatever it is. The link will be same. Mine is 20.04. You can check it by going into the settings, go down, go to the about, and you can find your version listed over here. All the Ubuntu based distribution, they are also using the 20.04 version, so you can type here that. This will basically download this deb file which we will install after the downloading. If I hit the ls command, then you will find there is a package file indeed. Now we need to install this package file in the system. For that, execute this command. Use the tab key to autocomplete the file name. Hit the enter and this should install the file in the system. This basically sets up a repository link into the system. So after this, we need to update the system so that all the packages cache can be updated. Now if you closely see to the links, you will find a link that says packages.microsoft.com, and this is for Ubuntu 20.04. On Debian it will be the same, but the name will be different, as I explained earlier. Now we need to install your SDK, the .NET SDK and different runtimes that you may require for developing the applications. For that, execute these commands and you will be able to install the .NET in your Ubuntu and Debian based distribution. Now along with the SDK, it is going to download bunch of other packages as well. For example, it will download the Asp .NET Core runtime and .NET runtime as well. So in case if you need to download these runtimes separately, then you can download by typing the package name only. So I'm going to hit enter again, and this should start the installation process. So the installation has completed and it has installed the .NET SDK and all the required runtimes as well. So now we can verify the installation executing the version command. As you can see, the current version is 5.0, which we just installed. Now let me create some project and run them inside Ubuntu. A console project has been created. Let's see the files. So these are the project files, and I'm going to run the project. As you can see, it has printed the hello world. Now let me create a ASP.NET web project and run it. So here is the project file for the BAB app. Now I'm going to run the project. Now we can open up the browser and go to the localhost 5000 to check the project. And as you can see, so this way you can install a .NET SDK and different runtimes on Ubuntu, Debian or any of their derivatives easily. Hope you find this video helpful. Leave a like, hit the subscribe button if you haven't, and let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. I shall catch you in the next one. Till then, take care and keep enjoying Linux.